Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we are learning how to enable two-factor authentication on EA.com account. To turn on two-factor authentication on EA.com, first of all open up a web browser and in the URL box type in EA.com and search. Once you end up in the official website for EA.com, go to the upper right corner and tap on your profile icon. Now, once you are done, click on Account Settings. In order to get to the account settings, you might need to enter your password. Go do that and click Sign In. You will then open up this account information page where you need to find the Manage 2FA Settings button at the top right and click on that. Now, under two-factor authentication, go to the arrow button right next to two-factor authentication and then click on Send Code. You'll receive a verification code sent to your email registered with EA.com. Go open up your email inbox and find the email code that you received. Now, enter the code exactly as it appears in the text box and click on Submit. Right after you do that, you'll see this interface where you need to click the Turn On button right under two-factor authentication. Now select any one option you'd like to use. You can go ahead and select Email, Authenticator app, or text message. I'm just gonna select Email and click on Send Code. Now you'll receive another code sent to your email inbox. Go open up your email service provider's inbox and enter the verification code inside it. Once you type it down, click Submit and you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication on EA.com account. So that's how it's super easily done. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your EA account. You'll receive a verification code when you log in from an unrecognized device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.